Alright guys, so welcome back to GW2 Stand, and it's been a while since the video, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this elago GW2 stand. So this is actually a watch stand for your Galaxy watch, which is the Galaxy Watch 8 for me, and this particular model is only for the Galaxy Watch 8. So obviously it won't come with the watch, you have to have your own watch, you just stand. And the reason is because if you buy the Watch 8, you don't get a stand, you just get the charger itself, which I'm going to show you guys right here. So this is the watch, and you can see this is the charger that you originally get, and it's always like on the ground like this. So you can't, your watch, when it charges your watch, it's always on the ground. So some prefer to have it like stand like this, so that's why I got this one. So this will solve the problem, and we're gonna fix this, attach it inside this stand, and it should look like this. So let me set it up and unbox this first. So let's see what we get inside. So this one looks like it's in black color. There are a few variants as well. You can check out the link description. I'll put the product link. You can check out for yourself, and they sell all kinds of colors as well, but the one I got here is just a black one. I just want to keep it simple, so nothing fancy. And yeah, so this is how it looks like. So yeah, there we go. It's a silicone finishing, so yeah, nothing too crazy. It's black, and you can just put the charger inside. You can see, and the back here we have the hole to put the wiring, and that's about it actually. So yeah, let me just set this up and see how it looks like, and yeah, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I've attached the charger. You can see right here it fits perfectly, so make sure you use the original charger, it should be fine. And the cable, you can see, runs through to this hole. You can just put it inside, and yeah, that's how it is, and it looks like this. So I'm gonna put my watch, and it should like stand up like this. So this is, yeah, the main reason why we can get this, so you can let it stand. Yeah, you can see it's on the landscape orientation right now, and yeah, it can be used as a display for the time. So I think it's pretty cool stand. And yeah, so you interested in buying this product, I'll put a link in the description for this GW2 stand from elago. And yeah, so yeah, this will solve the problems where your watch is like lying on the ground, and this will be like something like this. You can just put it aside, and it will show the time. So let me just zoom out, but you can see this is how it looks like at my area right here. So you can see right there. So this is the setup, and now I can just have the watch like this. So yeah, that kind of solves it. And yeah, so this is the GW2 stand from elago, and it's compatible with the Galaxy Watch 8. So if you're interested, I'll put the link description. That's all, guys, for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.